Hello mga mat-aaral! Welcome to my Taglish step-by-step math video tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss finding equation of a line given 2 points. How do we find equation of the line given 2 points? So to find the equation of a line given 2 points on a line, use the 2-point form. And the 2-point form is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, where x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of point 1 or our first point P sub 1. X sub 2 and y sub 2 are the coordinates of point 2 or our second point P sub 2. Let's have illustrative example number 1. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points P sub 1 is 2, 1, and our P sub 2 is negative 1, negative 5. So using our 2-point form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, isubstitute lang natin yung ating dalawang points. So let's write first all the given. So, yung x natin ay 2 at negative 1. So, this is now our x sub 1 and our x sub 2 is negative 1. Then, these are our y, 1 and negative 5. So, this is now our y sub 1 and our y sub 2 is negative 5. So, isubstitute na natin ito sa ating formula. So, yung y is still y. So, copy natin yung y minus. Then, yung y sub 1 natin ay palitan na natin ng 1. Then, copy the equal sign. Then, yung y sub 2 natin ay negative 5. Minus, yung y sub 1 natin ay positive 1. All over, yung x sub 2 natin ay negative 1. Then, minus, yung x sub 1 natin ay 2. Times the quantity x minus yung x sub 1 natin ay positive 2. So, simplifying this, first copy natin yung y minus 1, then yung equal sign. And then, negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Then, negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And then, copy x minus 2. So, simplifying this further, negative 6 divided by negative 3 is equal to positive 2. Then, just copy y minus, then the equal sign, at yung ating x minus 2. So, multiplying this 2, we have 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then, I just copied y minus 1. So, isulat natin ang ating equation gamit ang slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So, yung y lamang ang andito sa ating left side. So, kailangan nating ilipat yung ating negative 1 dito sa right side. So, pag nilipat natin yung negative 1 ay magiging positive 1. Then, y na lang yung natira dito. Then, just copy 2x minus 4. Simplifying this, negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3. So, we have now y equals 2x minus 3. Thus, the equation of the line passing through these 2 points here is y equals 2x minus 3. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points P sub 1 is negative 2, 3. And our P sub 2 is negative 3, negative 5. So, using our formula, point-slope form, isubstitute lang natin yung ating mga points. So, ano ang ating mga given is, we have here negative 2 as our x sub 1, and then yung negative 3 ay x sub 2. At yung y natin, y sub 1 is 3, and then our y sub 2 is negative 5. So, substitute natin to gamit yung ating formula. So, y is still y. So, kopyahin lang natin yung y minus. So, y minus, yung y sub 1 natin is positive 3. Then, copy the equal sign. And then, mag-substitute na naman tayo. Yung y sub 2 natin ay negative 5. Minus, yung y sub 1 is positive 3. Over, our x sub 2 is negative 3. Then, minus, yung x sub 1 natin ay negative 2. Times the quantity x, minus, yung x sub 1 natin is negative 2. So, simplifying this, we have negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Then, negative 3 minus negative 2 is negative 1. Then, ito, negative times negative 2 is equal to positive 2. And then, just copy y minus 3. Simplifying this further, we have negative 8 divided by negative 1 is equal to positive 8. Then, just copy y minus 3 at yung ating x plus 2. Multiplying this, we have 8 times x is equal to 8x. 8 times positive 2 is equal to positive 16. Then, just copy y minus 3. So, isulat natin yung ating equation into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So, yung y lang yung nasa left side, so kailangan nating ilipat ang negative 3 sa kabilang side. So, pag nilipat natin yung negative 3, magiging positive 3. And then, just copy y, then equal sign at yung ating ax plus 16. Simplifying this, 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So, just copy y equals at yung ax. Thus, the equation of the line is y equals 8x plus 19. For the last example, we have find the equation of the line that passes through the points p sub 1, negative 2, negative 2. And our p sub 2 is negative 4, 6. So, using our 2-point form, we have y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Just substitute the given 2 points. So, ano yung mga given natin? So, our x sub 1 is negative 2. X sub 2 is negative 4. And yung y natin na dalawa, negative 2 is our y sub 1. And positive 6 is our y sub 2. So, i-substitute na natin itong mga given natin sa ating formula. So, just copy y minus. So, y minus. At yung y sub 1 ay palitan na natin ng negative 2. Copy equal sign. Y sub 2 is positive 6 minus. Our y sub 1 is negative 2. Over x sub 2 is negative 4 minus our x sub 1 is negative 2 times the quantity x minus yung x sub 1 natin ay negative 2. So, simplifying this, we have 6 minus negative 2 is positive 8. Negative 4 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And minus sign can be a negative sign. So, multiply natin ang negative times negative 2, it is equal to positive 2. And then, meron din tayo dito, negative times negative 2 is positive 2. So, we have now y plus 2 equals 8 over negative 2 times the quantity x plus 2. Simplifying this, 8 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 4. Then just copy y plus 2 and yung equal sign. At dito sa kabila, kopyahin ang x plus 2. So multiplying these 2, we have now negative 4 times x is equal to negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 2 is equal to negative 8. And then, just copy y plus 2 at yung equal sign. Isulat natin ang ating equation using slope-intercept form or yung y equals mx plus b. So, yung y lang ang andito sa ating left side. So, kailangan nating ilipat yung positive 2 sa kabilang side. So, pag nilipat natin yung positive 2, magiging negative 2. Then, just copy y, the equal sign, at yung ating negative 4x minus 8. Simplify, negative 8 minus 2 is equal to negative 10. Then, just copy y equals negative 4x. So, it is now written in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Thus, the equation of the line passing through the points y equals negative 4x minus 10. Thank you for watching mga mat-aaral. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Until next time, God bless!